In this video, we will show you how to install ChromeOS Flex on general laptop. And this is Windows-based laptop. As you can see, I'm using old laptop, and in the previous video, we have also shown you how to create USB installer for ChromeOS Flex. You can see the previous video about how to create them. In here, to start the installation of the ChromeOS Flex, make sure you already plug the USB, and then we can turn on the laptop. Okay, and first thing first, you can go to BIOS and make sure the bootable is using USB. Okay, you can see I'm using USB here. If not detected later, we can try to troubleshoot. Okay, in here I just click F10 and then click enter, and let's try if this configuration load the USB or not. Okay, this is not successfully. We can try another USB port here. Okay, I will try using another USB port. Okay, let's see. Make sure our USB port is detected here, and I can see in my Windows. Okay, I will see in my Windows the USB port is detected or not. Okay, not detected. I will using the good port to detect this. Okay, now you can see installing the driver for my USB. Now my USB has been detected on my Windows, and this is live troubleshoot and live install ChromeOS Flex. Now we can try to restart our PC that we need to install as ChromeOS Flex. Okay, you can see here. Okay, let's go to BIOS again. You can put F1 or F2 based on your PC. Okay, now my USB is detected as Toshiba, and I'm sure this is good. And F10 again. Let's see we successfully load the ChromeOS Flex or not. If not load, we can try to using another boot system like EVI or using BIOS. Okay, our ChromeOS Flex has been loaded successfully. Let's try we can install or not. Wow, I'm excited to install my old laptop or PC here to install ChromeOS Flex, and hope this ChromeOS Flex is easier and also is lighter than using Windows. Okay, now welcome to ChromeOS Flex. Okay, we can click get started here. Turn on screen reader.
The screen reader on ChromeOS Chromebox is primarily used by people with blindness or low vision to read text displayed on the screen with a speech synthesizer or braille display. Press the space bar to turn on Chromebox. When Chromebox is activated, you'll go through a quick tour.
Okay, we need to click space. You can see here. We can try it first. It's mean we have the demo from USB, but in this case I just want to install ChromeOS Flex, So this video is a real install ChromeOS Flex on the real device, not using virtual machine. Okay, click install ChromeOS Flex and click next. Okay, installing ChromeOS will overwrite all data on your device, so make sure you don't have any important data, or you can backup first before you click this install button. Let's click install ChromeOS Flex. Okay, the installation can be cancelled. You have consequence here and click install. I'm excited to try ChromeOS Flex on my old laptop, and I will review later. It's better than Windows or not if I'm using a laptop model here. Maybe in this video I will also make this video is short. Maybe I'm cut the not important step, so you don't need so much time to watch the installation of ChromeOS Flex on the real device. Okay, you can see here. Okay, on my video recording has been 7 minutes. So with the troubleshooting, to detect USB and setting on BIOS, maybe if not the same time with recording, only 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Installation may take up 20 minutes, so I will pause until the next step to make the video is efficient. Installation is complete, and I think it's not 20 minutes. Of course, this is just 2 until 3 minutes for the step just now. Okay, so the description in here 20 minutes just now is not the same with, I think, is only 3 minutes. So the total is 5 minutes until 6 minutes from the booting and the installation complete here. Your device will shut down in 15 seconds. Remove the USB before turning your device back on. Then you can start using ChromeOS Flex. Okay, we unplug this USB like the guide. Now my old laptop, let's see, is turned into ChromeOS Flex or not. Okay, I'm excited because this is the first time I'm using ChromeOS Flex on the real device. Hope it can load smoothly. ChromeOS Flex, yes. Okay, without USB, the ChromeOS Flex is running. So I think it's successfully installed. The ChromeOS Flex from Google usually can be alternative if you want to using operating system that need browser and the general application for typing and using Google Documents. You can also using Google Spreadsheet. Okay, debuting I think is long. Oh, this is the first time. Okay, we can click get started. This is want to connect on our Wi-Fi. Let's see. Okay, I type my USB or my password. Getting their device ready. Okay, for ChromeOS setup, you can see there is 3 options for personal use, for agile, and for work. Okay, I will using the general for personal use, so just click this and click next. And the ChromeOS Flex checking the update. Okay, oh, this is need the Google account. Okay, I will type the channel. Okay, I, I click this. After click next, we need to type the password. Okay, I will pause for the password because this is privacy, I think. Okay. Okay, after type password and hit the enter, you can see this is the step. It's please wait and loading. Accept and continue. Oh, I don't want to send diagnostic for this case, so I can click accept this. This is sign. Okay, I don't want, just click accept and continue. I don't think this need to important, so click accept and continue. Okay, click next, and I think it must 8 character, so I just using the easy password to understand. Click next. Click next again. Choose more features to set up. Select light or dark theme. Change touchpad scrolling direction. Okay, I just click this and click next. Okay, there are light theme, dark theme, and auto theme. Let's see using dark theme. Oh, I think it's more convenience. You all set and click get started here. And hi there, Chromebook is a little different. We can click quick tour. Your Pinned and Open apps are on the shelf. To pin an app to the shelf, right click an app or tap your touchpad with the finder. Okay. Frequently use control like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, volume in quick settings. Okay. And use apps to do everything you need in a Chromebook. You can find. Okay. This is the search. Search for your files, apps, and more. Okay. Customize and personalize your Chromebook in settings. Okay, next. Those were the basic. Continue to explore. Okay, click open explore. Okay, explore like File Explorer on Windows. Okay, and this is we successfully install Chrome OS on the real device. Okay, you can see in here we will continue tutorial about Chrome OS on this channel, so just subscribe this channel to get the advanced information about the Chrome OS. We will continue for the next time. Hope this will helpful for you.